today I had a little bit of a challenge thrown at me, in so much as a customer of mine had bought this beautiful Stetson Stratoliner. I guess it's a hemp hat. It's absolutely lovely, but it's too big for him. So it's a size 59 and he's a size 58. Now, as you can see, it's got a leather sweatband inside. And I was thinking, you know, how can I reduce this? And of course, the normal way we do it is to use the, where have I got it? Some of this, there we are. Some of this padded sweatband and put it on the inside. But I thought there must be a better way of doing it. So what I did was I took one of my leather sweatbands and I cut it to 58 centimeters, which of course is his size. And actually it drops in absolutely perfectly into the hat. So if I drop this into there and show you, so I'm just putting it in around where the actual existing sweatband is, and what you end up with is a double sweatband. Now you might say, okay, that's not a perfect solution. No, it's not a perfect solution, but what I'll then do is I will stitch together on the reed area here, those two reed areas with a running stitch all the way around, so that whilst my customer uses this hat and has this hat, it will fit him just perfectly, because I'll show you. It's come up at a size 58, so 7 1/8. Don't know whether you can see that, 7 1/8, and so he will get a nice experience of wearing the hat, and a comfortable experience, something that's not going to drop out or anything like that. And then when it comes to the time that he wants to sell the hat, all he needs to do is take a little pair of scissors and just snip the stitches that I've put in around the leather sweatband. And then he can take my sweatband out and he's still got the Stetson one in, and he can resell this as a 59. So another good tip, I hope, for those of you out there that might think about, you've got hats that are slightly too big, that's an option.